Hi, first grade friends. We're going to get started on our math lesson for today. But before we begin, I want to talk you through a few things that our teacher that teaches the lesson is going to talk about in her lesson. Our learning target for today is I can find hidden parts in a whole amount. We're going to talk about what that means in just a little bit, what parts mean, what a whole mean, and all of those things. But that's our learning target for today. For your lesson, you're going to need a few tools. The teacher in the lessons talk about needing a dry erase board and a journal. You don't need those things. The only things you're going to need is this math tool that you can find in the back of your binder. It's laminated, it's green, it has the number bond part, let me turn it over, the number bond part, and on the back it says make a number sentence with the 10 frame. You're going to need this, a dry erase marker, and something to erase with. It might be an old sock or a Kleenex or a paper towel, something to erase with. So you're going to want to gather those three things before you start part 2 of our lesson today. In the video, she's going to have you do some things on your board. She's going to ask you to draw a number bond. You don't have to draw it because I already did that work for you. It's already on your thing. You could do it this way or this way. Either way works as long as you have your whole and your two parts. She's going to ask you to pause your video, to do a step, and then push play again. The easiest way to do that is on the bottom of your keyboard. There's a long skinny bar called the space bar. You'll push that key to pause the video, do the work she's asking you to do, unpause it by pushing the same button, and that will start it again. I want you to do those steps. It's very important that you're practicing as we go while she's doing the lesson. So when we get to the assignment, you're able to do it. One more thing. At the end of the video, she's going to give you what's called an exit ticket. This is just a check your brain. It's a brain check to see if you understand what you learned today. She's going to ask you to upload it to something called Seesaw. We don't have Seesaw. So you don't have to worry about the Seesaw part. But I do want you to do that brain check, that exit ticket, on your math tool mat and check yourself. You don't have to send it to me. You don't have to show me. But I do want you to do it and practice. Then go back and I'll see you again in step 3 or part 3 of our math lesson today. See you soon.